In this video, I'll be showing you how you add effects to videos you're editing using the YouCut editor. Simple and easy. So this is how the interface looks like. So now let's try to add an effect to this video. So you see the options here below, the one I'm sliding. You see the arrow there, you see effects. Good. So you can see there's it here. We have a lot of effects here. So we have the glitch, we have some of them are pro, the ones that are pro, you can see pro there, and the ones that are free, you can just see the free there too as well. So now let's try select something like this. So you long press to apply. Good. And now we tap on the correct button to add it. So now let me mute the clip. And now let me try to extend. I'm trying to extend that. Good. So that's your effect there. So you need to extend it. You just tap on it and then drag it to extend it. Now let's try play the video. And you see it's going to take effect here. Good. So after it's done, the real video comes back. So that's it on how you add an effect to a video you're trying to edit on YouCut. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.